Ready to turn your free time into cash? Let's get started. Today, we're counting down the top 10 ways to earn money for free in 2024. First up, online surveys. Sign up with sites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie and get paid just for sharing your opinions. Easy, right? Next, online freelance work. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork offer gigs from virtual assistants to content creation. Get paid for skills you already have. If you're a talented writer, publish on Medium or WordPress, earn money through reads and engagement. Or sell your photos on free stock image websites like Unsplash or Pexels. Let your creativity pay off. For gamers, stream on Twitch or YouTube Live. Earn from subscriptions and donations. Or join online tournaments and win cash prizes. Share your knowledge by creating free online courses on Udemy or YouTube. Or offer free consulting services to build your portfolio and attract paying clients. There you have it, folks. 10 ways to earn money in 2024 for free. Stay creative, keep learning, and be open to new opportunities. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.